Uh-huh. You know what time it is. Wash day, wash day, wash day. One of my favorite days, can I tell you? Can you see the excitement in my face? I'm just glowing with joy right now. Like wash day is so extraordinary for me. Okay, all right, too much drama right now. You don't wash day go already. You have to be patient, okay? You have to be patient and you cannot skip the process. So if you love your hair, you want it to grow, you want it to be healthy, you just gotta baby up that hair. Like, I love you so much. I don't want you to break, okay? Are you okay? All right, you need a little snip right there. Oh, all right, okay. So yeah, it's wash day. I decided that it's not going to be just blood related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. I had my Cantu products and all of that. They, they were finished. And living in Japan, you know the struggles. So I made my own DIY shampoo. I'll do a separate video about this, but it's basically with like black soap and oils. Until my really good friend sent me a care package. I can't stop talking about a care package. My nice, clean friend, of course, sent me a care package, and this came in there. Shea Moisture Jamaican Blessed Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This is going to be my second time using it, and I really love it. You know that smell is all for us, right? Yeah, and it smells so good. So I'm going to be using that today, as well as my Cantu conditioner. Yep, my Cantu conditioner. This also came in my care package. Can I tell you that care package is really a care package? Yeah. And I've got my shampoo brush, really just a little cheap one I got from the 100 yen shop, and I'm gonna be doing that. That's basically how I wash my hair. I shampoo 4 times and then I condition. I use a lot of conditioner. When I run out of conditioners here, I just use Pantene Pro V because it's a brand that I know and trust over the years. I just add some of my own oils to that, and I'll tell you how I use my oils and what type of oils I use and things like that. So let's get going. So of course I'm not gonna be taking you guys to the shower with me. Like, I'm not a freak. It's not a porn show. So I'm just gonna show you from here how I do it. Once I wet my hair, of course, add the shampoo, then this little brush here, I use it in a rotating motion all over my head so that I can get the scalp really clean and get that moisture in my pores. So it really works and it's super satisfying. It feels so good doing it. You can use your fingers if you don't have that. I usually use my fingers, but this is really nice. It gives a good, nice head massage, so it's multifunctional. Yeah, so once I'm finished shampooing that, wash out, then I put the conditioner in, and then I'm going to show you how I apply the moisturizer and twist. But seriously though, my hair is like, oh my god, it's like growing. Damn, you guys gonna need to come and check me out next month. It's gonna be like I'm on a hair growth journey. Come on this journey with me, girl. What are you doing? Come on. I just felt like I want to cut it again. I wanted to cut it again, but I said this year I'm gonna grow it and see how far it can go. If it will go. Actually, what some persons do is that they section their hair in four sections, which makes it easier for them. But I can't be bothered. I'll just do it this way, and then when I'm moisturizing and twisting, I'll section it do what works for you. You know, at the end of the day, we can give you our little tips and what works for us, but just tweak it. It's not a hard and fast rule, you know what I'm saying? Not too crazy. All right, so I'm done, and this is how it looks. All shrinked up, all shrunken, shrinked up. My word, shrinked up. Yes, so I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner cream in there, and I usually do this in the shower and just twist or take some big chunks and plait, but because I want to show you guys, I actually just came out to do it. So I'm gonna put some of this, and I'm going to, because I want to achieve a particular style, which I'm gonna show you when it's done. Hopefully it come out good. I'll be trying my new curls cream brulee whipped curl cream. I tried a little bit of it before on a little section of my hair, and it was really nice. So I'm gonna also be trying it with this Matrix Biolage curl defining styling butter. And then when I'm done, I'm going to be spraying with my DIY oil. Of course, I promised already that I'll show you how I make this oil. Hair growth oil, yeah. Let me put that in. So I'm just gonna section my hair, okay, in form to make it a little bit more manageable. And I usually just try not to use comb because you don't want to be pulling too much, tugging on your hair too much, especially in this state. It's easy to break off, and I'm doing it soaking wet because I don't want it to dry out. When I'm doing this, when your hair is too dry, it becomes so brittle and it's harder to manage, especially if your hair is really 4C like mine, thick here. Water dropping in my eye. So I just use my fingers to section, and because you know what, it doesn't matter if I get perfect parts, and just to detangle with my fingers. Usually if I'm not doing the hairstyle, I'll just moisturize section by section, plait, and that's it. And I sometimes just wear that until I'm ready to pull it out if I'm not going anywhere. So see, I'm just using my fingers to detangle and then apply. Leave-in conditioner, apply. So I just put a little bit on each twist that I'll be doing. Normally I just do a general application, and so it's gonna take a little longer, but I'm gonna be patient. This is how it looks. I'll be patient because I want my style to look good. And then I'm going to do the rope twist because I want it to be very, very tight. Not very, very tight, but I want the twist to be tight when I pull them out. And because my hair is wet, it's still slippery, so if I don't kind of rope it, it will easily just ravel. Trying to find the word. You know what I mean, right? It just twists back. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do to my entire head. Ooh, water dropping in my eye. Water dropping in my eye. Water dropping in my eye. Simply leave it already, yeah. While we come in. So just put a little of the moisturizer in there, because you know the tangles easier come out when you do that. While we come in on a war and a hype. If you have a different way or you do this, you can let me know in the comments. You know, people have different methods, but it's really what works for you. I just put some of this on this to make it easier so I don't have to be squeezing all the time. And everything smells so nice. Smell good in the ear, smell nice. See there? This is how I'm twisting it. Let me go slowly so you can get an idea of how I rope twist. I wonder if you're seeing it. Simply leaving out ready yet. When we come in a war and a hype. And the size doesn't matter, because as me say, I'm just gonna pull out them twists here and can't wait to see how them are gonna look. Fluffy and luscious and nice. So let me come back when we finish do that. I just went to look in the mirror and look at this. Look at this. I wonder if you know see. Oh, look on them curl here. Look at these curls. I could actually wear it like this, but nah. Look at these curls that the 3 products gave me. I think the miracle one is the curl brulee. I think, oh my gosh, look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. Just showing us something. So I'm putting in the Cantu leave-in conditioner. See, the shrinkage is real, right? So that's the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna add the Matrix Biolarge Curl Defining Styling Butter. I'm just detangling as I do that. Look here. See the curls already? Now I'm gonna add the curls. I think this is the miracle thing. Curls cream brulee whipped curl cream. Curl defining and moisturizing cream formulated with certified organic sweet almond milk, shea butter, and aloe leaf juice, proven to fight frizz, restore lost sheen, and encourage hair growth. Ooh, ooh, Lord of mercy. You hear that? Look there. See there? I put in that now. Put in just like a pea size like this. I wonder if you see what is going on. Eh? I wonder if you see what going on here, so with the curl and the ear business that we're going. I wonder if you see. When this dry. Wow. Look at something pretty. Look at the curls. Look at those curls. Bring down the camera. I don't really like the Cantu leave-in, because I think it's the one that is giving me all this residue. Anyways, I don't really like it though, because I'm just using it because I have it now. so I'm using it with other products, but I think it literally just, you know, really not much for my hair. Y'all see that? Do you see that? When it dries, it shouldn't have those white, that residue, but that curl brulee, it's the bomb. It smells good. If you're gonna do this style, you just probably just take it strand by strand and just pull them like that, so it gives the individual pop. All right, so I don't want to blame anything on any product. I'm just going to try the curl brulee by itself without the other two products and see what the result is gonna be like. I want to see if it's really it. So I'm taking a pea size portion, applying it from root to end, detangling as I go through. It, see, there is it. Actually, it works better without the other two products, because as me finish, the curl them just start pop. I think it's the one that has the white residue, but it shouldn't have that when once it's dried. We want to go out with their hair all white. So this is the section with the Cantu leave-in, the, forgot the name, curl defining butter, and the curl brulee, and this is a section with only curl brulee. What do you think? I think the curl brulee could just go by itself. It is absolutely nice, and I don't care if it dries out or have a little crunch with it when it dries. Well, I care, but meaning I have my hair growth oil, so I'll just, I think the curl brulee is really nice. Wow, see there? Oh, see there? Let me see something. Let me see something real quick. It's just, you see all the shrinkage real? Watch there. Look, all the shrinkage real. Alright, so I did a quick twist, and I'm gonna, it's kind of too soon to pull it out usually. Oh, see it? Even though I just 1 minute me twist it for 1 minute, and look there. It's a bomb. I don't want it done. Yes, so guys, tell me what you think. I think, let me do the 1 minute twist with these products, all three, and see. Just to be fair, don't want nobody say my bias, like the cream name, I'm gonna say my bias. Oh God. It's a quick twist, then pull it out and see. I don't know, maybe I didn't allow it to dry, so it's not giving me perfect result, but when I'm finished doing this one and pull it out, then you guys will see. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Boom bang, I'm out. Few hours later, stop and chat to my best friend and all kind of something. So this is basically it, all twisted. So I'll show you the finished product, but I actually like it like this. It's so cute. It's not gonna have these residues when once it's dried. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.